everyone, this is Chiwei from One Dog Wolf, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to connect a live edge in your knitting to a bound edge. This is the cast on edge for my Fading Waves cowl, and this is the last row, which is a live edge. What I want to do is to connect this edge with this to close up the cowl and use a tail of yarn to create a row of knit stitches across so that these two edges are joined seamlessly. I've cut myself a pretty long tail and threaded the tail onto a tapestry needle. So now I'll show you how to connect this live edge to this bound edge. The first thing we're going to do is take our tapestry needle and insert it into our active stitch on this needle purlwise, so from right to left, and pull through. And then go to our bound edge, and we'll take a look here. You can see this first V down here. This is our cast on row, but we're not going to work into this one. We're going to work into the second row, which is the second V from the very edge. Okay, so that's our first V, and then the second V is up here on the corner. I'll be working my tapestry needle under both legs of this V. The next thing we're going to do is take our tapestry needle and insert it into our active stitch, but this time knitwise, and then we're going to pull this active stitch off the knitting needle. Okay, now let's do the second stitch. Insert the tapestry needle purlwise. Go to our bound edge, find the very first V, which is their cast on, and then take the V right above it, insert our tapestry needle under both legs of the V, and then insert our tapestry needle knitwise into the stitch on our knitting needle and pull that stitch off. One more time, purlwise. Go to our bound edge, find the first V and then the second V. And then knitwise, and then pull the stitch off. Purl. First V, second V is the one on top. Go under both legs. Knitwise. And then pull off. And then you're going to work the same pattern all the way across. Okay, so right now I have one stitch left on the needle, and I've completed sewing through the bound edge. So this is the last bit. I'm going to insert my needle knitwise and then bring that last stitch off my knitting needle. So I'm done with my knitting needle and I can put this away. And I'm just going to tug it a little bit to kind of clean up the edge, and I'm done. So with this edge, I can just turn it around and weave it in. If you're using a natural fiber, you can always weave it in a little bit and then felt it so that it's secure. And let's take a look at our seamless join. So you can tell a little bit, as long as you keep your sewn stitches loose to match the existing gauge, it should be pretty seamless join. And then on the back, you'll see a little bit of a seam because we skipped the cast on row and worked into the second row. But otherwise, there you go. That's how we joined a live edge to a bound edge in knitting. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, I'd love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you next time.